Money is a fundamental part of our lives. We use it to buy goods and services, to save for the future, and to invest in new opportunities. But how did money come about? And how has it evolved over time? In this video, we will explore the evolution of money, from barter to cryptocurrency. We will look at the different forms of money that have been used throughout history, and we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each one. Barter. The earliest form of money was barter. Barter is the direct exchange of goods and services without the use of a medium of exchange. For example, a farmer might trade a sack of wheat to a blacksmith for a new plow. Barter was a simple and effective way to trade in small communities. However, it had a number of disadvantages. First, it was difficult to find someone who wanted to trade what you had for what you wanted. Second, it was difficult to determine the value of different goods and services. Third, it was difficult to store and transport large quantities of goods. Commodity money. To address the disadvantages of barter, people began to use commodity money. Commodity money is a type of money that has intrinsic value, such as gold, silver, or salt. Commodity money was easier to trade than barter because it was more portable and divisible. It was also easier to store and transport. However, commodity money still had a number of disadvantages. First, it was scarce, which made it difficult to use for large transactions. Second, it was difficult to counterfeit, which made it vulnerable to crime. Fiat money. Fiat money is a type of money that is not backed by any intrinsic value. Instead, its value is based on the faith and credit of the government that issues it. Fiat money was first introduced in China in the 11th century. It became more widely used in Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries. Fiat money has a number of advantages over commodity money. First, it is more abundant, which makes it easier to use for large transactions. Second, it is more difficult to counterfeit than commodity money. Digital money. Digital money is a type of money that is stored and transmitted electronically. It does not exist in physical form, such as coins or paper currency. Digital money was first introduced in the 1980s. It has become more widely used in recent years, with the development of online banking and mobile payment systems. Digital money has a number of advantages over fiat money. First, it is more convenient to use, as it can be transferred electronically between parties. Second, it is more secure, as it is less vulnerable to theft or loss. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency was first introduced in 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, which means that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Cryptocurrency has a number of advantages over fiat and digital money. First, it is more secure, as it is protected by cryptography. Second, it is more anonymous, as transactions are not linked to any personally identifiable information. Third, it is more global, as it can be used to send and receive payments from anywhere in the world. The evolution of money has been a long and fascinating journey. From barter to cryptocurrency, money has become more convenient, secure, and anonymous over time. It is difficult to predict the future of money. However, it is clear that cryptocurrency is playing an increasingly important role in the global economy. It is possible that cryptocurrency will eventually replace fiat money, or that it will exist alongside fiat money as a new form of digital currency. We hope you enjoyed learning about the transition from barter to cryptocurrency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.